In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Calendar desktop shortcut in Chrome. If you use Google Calendar regularly, turning it into its own desktop-style app can make it much easier to access. Instead of opening a full browser tab and searching for the site each time, you can launch Calendar from a shortcut and use it in a cleaner, more focused window. This is especially helpful if you want faster access during the workday or if you prefer keeping your calendar separate from your other browser tabs. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure the page fully loads so you can see your Google Calendar on screen before moving on. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in to the correct account first, since the shortcut will be most useful when it opens the calendar you actually use. Once Google Calendar is open in Chrome, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three vertical dots menu icon, which opens Chrome's main menu. Click that icon to continue. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, move to Save and Share, and then select Create Shortcut. This tells Chrome that you want to make a quick access shortcut for the page you currently have open. If you don't immediately see the option, just take a moment to scan the menu carefully, because Chrome's layout can sometimes look slightly different depending on your version or screen size. After clicking Create Shortcut, a small pop-up window will appear. In that window, check the box labeled Open as Window. This is the important part if you want Google Calendar to behave more like a standalone app instead of just opening in a normal browser tab. With this option enabled, Calendar launches in its own simplified window, which can help reduce distractions and make it feel more organized. Now click Create. Chrome will generate the shortcut for you, and depending on your device, it may appear on your desktop, in your apps list, or both. From then on, you can open Google Calendar directly from that shortcut without needing to type the web address each time. That's all it takes to create a Google Calendar shortcut in Chrome. If you use your calendar every day, this small setup change can save time and make your workflow feel smoother.